What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to TJ's RC Garage. Today we're gonna fly the DJI Mavic Pro Fly More Combo Kit. It's right there in his bag.
Hi guys,
And
what's up?
that's Prahlad. You guys know him from a video of the boat, no? Yeah, the boat video, Swordfish, on my cousin's channel. I'll link it down below or some shit like that. Go watch that if you guys want to see him. And I've got the crawler here, he's working, and we are here in this open place to fly the DJI. He's gonna fly it, and let's get some footage, obviously, and let's go. I've got some stuff in the bag, just some screwdrivers, batteries, controller. That's it. I'll see you guys in, yeah, for you it's gonna be like 5 seconds, but for me it's gonna be a long walk. So you guys watch the intro please, and then I'm going to see you guys there. So the intro, boom. Okay, so we reached the place where we're gonna fly, this open area, and there's nothing in that bag, don't worry, just my crawler and some battery and something. The real deal is right here. It's the Mavic Pro right there. Boom, 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 boom. Yep.
This the cost is about 95,000.
$1,299 for you US guys watching this video. That's $1,299.
It has a 4K camera.
4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, right?
Yes,
3-axis gimbal, and we have sensors.
These are motion sensors,
Yeah.
so that you don't bang into
This is not my drone, it says. I don't know anything about it.
And the max altitude is around 120 meters, and it's a 4 kilometer range.
Like a radius, so you stand right here and you can fly the drone like 4 kilometers around you or from you. That's what he meant. And that's the case you get with the Fly More combo. You get,
And this is
that's a transmitter.
radio transmitter.
You get in the Fly More combo, you get the radio transmitter itself, you get the drone, and you get 2 extra batteries.
And you get totally get 3 batteries
and a charger.
And a charger. It's a lithium battery.
Lithium polymer. So it's a LiPo battery around 3000, 4000 megahertz, and will give you around, let's see, roughly around 15-20 minutes of flight time. So he's setting it up.
So I'll be using the
iPhone
6s
Plus. That's in his hand. We're gonna do that. I'll get you some FPV kind of footage thingy from the camera on the drone. So if you guys are asking me if I know to fly, no, I don't. I used to fly before, I stopped thanks to all the rules, so I stopped flying. So he's flying the drone, that guy, that's Prahlad, obviously. He knows to fly, so let's go. So the drone's on, you got the epic red lights, and just show me the that's the DJI or the Mavic.
app, the Mavic Pro app, the DJI official, and it says go fly. So you get the, I think
there's too much glare. Let's see. I'll get this.
So the reason why is that because I didn't remove the gimbal clamp. So
that's really good. So once you remove that, bro, the screen's black. Is it fine? Okay, so I don't know anything about this drone at all, except it's made from DJI and it's a cool drone. Nothing else. I've flown it before a bit with him, and yeah, he's just setting it up. I don't know anything about this drone. Right here, boom. Just don't throttle up. Don't throttle up. I won't have a hand. Okay, so that's the gimbal calibrating right there. So it looks like it's already calibrated. And let's go fly. Let's get you some 4K epic footage. I think YouTube's gonna reduce that down to 1080p. Yeah, 1080p or HD. So I don't know. So the drone's in the air. It's right there. We got the pilot here, drone here. Let's get some footage. Bro, let's go. Boom!